Hey everyone, welcome to Oshkosh. This is Tony Burrow. This is the new Jabiru, the 432 twin revealed at Oshkosh.
The security of twin engines is pretty fantastic. They're two 85 horse engines, so 85 aside, 170 total. But practically from a business case, we've been pretty overwhelmed at the response we've gotten from flight schools. And so I think that's where the planes are going to be, is in the flight schools. And some of the lucky individuals that just want one.
Operating costs are significantly less. You know, this particular one, we know at 8,000 feet we're burning about 4 a side. If you think about that, 4 gallons per side, and you can even pull it back even further for economy crews to a little under 3 a side, which is phenomenal to build time in. And so I think when it comes down to cost, there is no comparison between the certified aircraft twin and this twin. Standout features are obviously that it has 2 engines, and where all of the rest of them have 1. I love the throttle arrangement. I think the throttles are awesome. I love the center yoke and not having something, you know, between your legs. I love having that on the side. You got lots of panel space. We got 3 G3Xs, a 355, a Navigator. We've got a really nice IFR platform. And one of the things that's new, the VPX. That's the power center in this plane. And what it allowed us to do was to put all the switches up above, really cleaned up the dash and really made everything look really good, the panel. The fact that it'll fly on 1 engine, that's a standout feature, right? A lot of twins will just slowly descend on 1 engine, but this one will actually maintain flight on it. I love the fact that it's got 4 seats. I don't ever anticipating 4 adults being in it due to the weight, but I can see having 3 adults in it, and that's really helpful, right? I can see putting your 2 children in the back. I think that would be really awesome to be able to do. This is the first one I've owned that had 4 seats. You know, all of them in light sport have been, 2-seaters.
Another thing that we're thrilled about is Jabiru's never had BRS or ballistic recovery aircraft recovery parachute installed, and we're now doing that. And so this aircraft is designed to be equipped with the BRS as well, and we'll be doing that for our other M series aircraft that come out in 2027.
The plane really stays straight on the runway, and I love that about a twin. You know, for me, in flying twins, the takeoff was the most critical aspect, and it's very simple. They develop thrust very easily together. It's not hard to manipulate. So, and then on climb and takeoff, I'm seeing between 12 and 1,500 feet per minute. It climbs so good, like a rocket. You know, at 8,000, we're seeing true air speeds of about 125 knots.
2 engines have a pretty close center line, so the critical engine is not as critical. I'm one for never saying never. But still, it's got very, very nice manners, and there's just no surprises. The handling is terrific, particularly for a twin. We're super excited to be here. I mean, Oshkosh is what a place to show great planes, and with the regulatory environment, with the change in Mosaic, that was just a huge, huge effort by the ASTM committee and the FAA for the ASTM to create over 50 standards so that we can bring products like this to market. And if the FAA hadn't written a good rule that you could apply standards to consistently, we wouldn't be here. So my hat's really off to all the participants that made this opportunity available for everyone.